Hello, friends. Good evening. This is Shamal here. How are you? Hope everybody is fine. Today, I'm very happy. I'm very happy to interact with my Mind Lab. There are a lot of cats are there. I have whole day. I have played with them, and I've tried to understand probably because whenever I go home, they are eager to. They come to me, and sometimes I feel that probably they want to talk to me, but there is no interpreter or something like that. I have to really think what they want to convey. Today probably I spend a lot of time with them and try to understand their emotional and the behavioral pattern. What I have observed, they are very friendly, number one. They can easily identify you. I have told you before, they eagerly wait for me to come, and once I enter in the house, in my parking room, my Mind Lab where it is, they probably think me a kind of a undefined teacher or moral teacher, not as a kind of an enemy. So that is a good part probably. I feel let me one day little spend some time act as a teacher, not as a moral teacher, a kind of a playful teacher. So I did my job, spending close to 2 hours with them, understanding various things, offering them food, offering them books, and they are very close to me when they are access to those books. How beautifully they have danced around those books, probably those videos are going to tell you, so I need not explain all those things. There are few interesting observation that their attitude towards learning new thing, probably when I have given many things like giving a stone or giving a new object, their curiosity is very much there. I have seen earlier days when they are very kind of a very small kid, 3 days or 4 days old, how their mother they have taken care their babies, and they have taught them in many ways to identify few things, identify the good thing, bad thing, object, how to make a kind of a defensive thing, the enemy, and how to hide it, how to attack it, how to eat foods. So many other things like how to drink, how to climb tree, how to dance, and how to do the body movement, many other things. It is all they have copied from their mother. Since I am analyzing those things because their mother is not coming nowadays after 3.5 months. What went wrong, I really do not know. And I was worried about their stressed condition. They sometimes they sleep for a longer time. They're such a small. They're 3.5 months old. Like no, they don't know how to cross road. When their mother was there, those kittens are been taken outside by their mother, and mother has seen different place, different location, even how to catch the rats, like no their prey, those kind of things they have taught very clearly. My lot of videos at showing that mother is bringing rats and keeping inside my Mind Lab, and now they're playing for hours together. And not only, I have tried to mark each and every cat in a different way. I could see their emotional behavior, and other things are very different from one to another. Their capabilities, even though they are cats, but each cat has having different likings in terms of their food habit, in terms of their learning, and in terms of their human affiliation. Even sometimes mother, some cats they wanted to be very kind of free and independent. They will go and sit in some place, watch the nature. The others probably they feel to sleep, they will be coming and sleeping, and mother will be watching all those activities what their kids are doing. I hope their mothers should come back soon and give a new, they let them allow to make kind of a adult. After that they will be moving out, so it is their choice again, then wisdom probably, since they are staying in the in my house, my periphery, so this lab is under constantly monitored under CCTV camera. I have been giving the food and other things, whatever things are required. My family members are offering those food kittens. They are very happy. Whenever I go home at night, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, they are there. They are very much there. Once they get the sense somebody has come, they sees me. So first they will jump on my bag or they will come to my leg and try to do whatever things. Their body language I can understand. Probably they need also company. That's why I have given little company. Friends, I am not going to talk about animal behavior in their emotions. Probably I can write all those things in my article or paper when I want to write. Today my purpose is little different. I was interacting, I was just analyzing the whole world education system, whether we can rethink or given relook on education system in India. For that matter, many Asian countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, all those education systems are very old methodology that is using. Probably time has come to rethink whether those education policies can be changed. We are very much loaded with all kind of unwanted information. Even for UK and American education system is not that good. So things has been are changing in a much more faster way because 16th century, 17th century or 18th century's education policies or 19th century's policies is not going to help you in 21st century if we do not change, and those are very fundamental thing one need to question and one need to get an answer. Because if you see, the education system is the backbone of our country. In which direction you are teaching somebody, what kind of education policy that give you a direction to a kid, for that matter, whatever in the basic line you are teaching, if this is not proper, it is not kind of a career oriented or something like that, it is not going to help them in their future life. Whether new education policy, what I am trying to tell over here, the way you have written Indian Constitution, when Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar sir has tried to write Indian Constitution soon after the independence, taking help from different countries. So all those democratic countries was there, and from there he has taken a lot of information. Similar way, our education system, whether this can be given a new thought, it is not. There are a lot of private school or academic institute that they understand, everybody is trying to understand there is a need for reform, but it is not coming in a way probably following something. So I am talking about a good education system that is in Finland, what is in existence. Probably one can relook, give a new thought that whether those kind of education system can be adapted or applied or not. So what
Thank
makes
everybody that
a great nation
whatever wisdom I am exercising,
or
that
a
is
country
because of
to prosper, the first fundamental thing is
Buddha. So I
having their
thank you.
education policy,
Buddha over
because the
here,
kids are the new
still he is smiling.
generation. They are
You
the
don't see
backbone
any
of the
kind
country,
of
backbone of the
dissatisfaction
society.
in his body.
So I was
That is
talking
what is
about
more interesting.
the
When you go to
education
a
system
political
of
leader, they
Finland.
get
Finland is a
irritated
beautiful
very fast.
country, it's a
But
stress-free
if you see
country.
the Buddha's wisdom
So
and knowledge,
I had
he is not
opportunity to
irritated at all.
visit, and
That's
I have
why
opportunity to meet
whatever
many
you want to
people over
say in
there.
front of Buddha.
I have so many
Thank you,
friends
Buddha, for
also.
this
I am in
matter.
constant touch.
I wish some justice
And
should be
probably
given to
in
my death of my
globally, if you
parents.
say it's a beautiful
Whether
country,
this is
and
artificial and natural, I
as I
have
have
talked,
told
spoken
you,
many things in my vision
they have
document,
very
many
kind of
things I
open
have given.
policy and the best
So I
education
wish
system they have.
if somebody is listening
The
probably,
education system in
they
Finland
should also give a second
consists of
dimension
a
and third
daycare
dimension, whatever I am
program,
speaking. Thank you very much
1
once
year
again. Have a nice day.
preschool,
Bye bye. Take care. So I am
a
keeping this
9-year compulsory based
muskmelon to die
basic comprehensive
naturally.
school, and
So this is naturally. This
post-compulsory
is nothing to do with
secondary
it is not affected with
general
corona.
education
So
and
it's
vocational
nice. Bye bye. Take
education,
care.
higher education. and adult education. So those are fundamental things. On that basis their education system is revolving. Even though this country is having very less population, their estimated budget is close to 12 billion US dollar. So it is a very huge amount of money. So they are spending for their education. Now coming back, what makes Finland education system great? So obviously those questions will rise, that what are the qualities in their education system? First of all, let me tell you that equal opportunities, equal level playing field, that is the fundamental thing probably they are adapting. Learning through play. So you take all kind of games, all kind of playing methodology, from there you can sharpen your mind. It's a very much related to the animal world, how the cats or other dogs or all animals they do it, their mother they teach them. Is a basic fundamental thing, teaching from the mother or from the parents. That is very nice thing. They teach them the basic thing, and that is through play. Another is the personalized right learning, minimal homework. The homework probably in India is totally different. We are loaded with homework, and our education system forced us to give so much homework to do it, and that involves the whole family member sometimes, not sometimes, most of the times, in making things, understanding the whole thing. So if somebody is spending 7, 8 or 9 hours in school, if certain homework is given, to complete that you need another 8 hours, 10 hours, because your number of subjects are also more. If each one subject you are giving 1 hour, 6, 7 subject, another 7 hours is going for that purpose. Both those are things. If for just education 16, 17 hours somebody is spending, what is left? So another thing, Finland education system is given lifelong learning. What do you mean by lifelong learning? So we have a tendency or something like that, once you clear the graduation or post graduation, you get into job or nothing, or if you don't get job also, you feel that you have completed master degree or PhD, there is nothing to learn. But here rest of your life you can learn till your death, and they are more active once they cross 60. In India, once you cross 60 and a retirement tag has been given with a award or ceremony that you are retired, sit at home and relax for rest of your life. So that is a bad precedent probably what we are following. And another thing is inclusive education and autonomous teacher. That is, the teachers are given the ultimate freedom. The minimum education for teaching is post graduation. Please remember this word. There is nothing called primary, that you have 10 standard or 12 standard people are going to teach this thing, because to teach kids you need better mind, they feel it. In India is totally ulta. So one need to think nurturing mind is not directly correlated with the academic qualification. The purpose of taking minimum post graduation, one has to understand that what kind of selection, their rigorous selection, they do it while selecting the teacher. They undergo training. If they are failed, probably they are not allowed to become teacher. That is one more thing I want to tell you over here. In India is totally different, and it cannot be compared with Finland education system. I am not speaking on Indian education system. I know from the day one I am also part of the Indian education system, so nothing to talk about. I'm just telling that kind of thing what they want to pursue. And few other things I want to talk about the Finland education system. The first point is education should be an instrument to balance out social inequality. again I'm trying to repeat from my mind that what is the education should be an instrument to balance out social equality or social inequality. All the students receive free school meals, ease of access to health care, psychological counseling. Here, if you under stress or dilemma, those kind of stress management or stress, how to come out from the stress, that is also given importance. And individual is given a lot of preferences for their guidance, what they feel. Each one is different from others. It is not in general they take it while they deliver lecture or taking class. Individual care has been given to each and every things to understand their capabilities so that they can exercise that part in their future life. So that makes a lot of difference in compared to many other education system. Once the American education system seems to be a very good system, but nowadays it is being deteriorating. Their education system is not good. That is being told by a lot of educationalists. So they are not also coming up with new ideas or adopt new education policies for whatever reason it might be. I do not know. The final thing what I want to convey, few important points. There is no standards testing. Here in India, if you compare that every year around 10, 12, every week there is test. There is absolutely nothing test up to certain age limit till 16 or 17 years. Your education system, whatever gap is been there, that is, I think probably I have told you that education is compulsory, no standardized testing, and starting in with all our print minded sensibilities, standardized testing in the blanket way of testing subject comprehension, that is not a good, that you have a standard syllabus and you follow it, you digest it. Those kind of things are bad, they feel it. That's why they have a kind of a no standardized testing methodology. Finland has got no standardized test. Their only expectation is something called the national matriculation exam, which is a voluntary test for student at the end of an upper secondary school, equivalent to an American high school. All children throughout Finland are graded on individualized basis grading system set by their teachers. So this is very important thing that teacher is deciding. Now in COVID time, what is happening now? So they are coming back to basics, like what is that all about? The teachers are now going to evaluate their student because there is no exam conducted. The Finland education system is opposing the kind of exam methodology. So now this COVID has probably taught us to do that. I do not find any correlation between the COVID and Finland education system probably, but this is what exactly we are doing at a very critical time. So accountability for teachers are not required. Teachers are not responsible for anything. Their job is to give proper teaching methodology. So those are very, very fundamental. It is understand each and individual kid's behavioral pattern, what they like, what they dislike. On that basis this education system is built up. There is no word for accountability in Finnish. That is in Finland, accountability is something that left when responsibility has been subtracted. That is Pasi Sandberg, Director of Finnish Ministry and Education, this great statement. So there also all the teachers is required to have minimum master degree entering the profession. That is a very, very fundamental thing. It is not like us. So teachers are selected based on somebody's interest and through a small group discussion or interview kind of thing, their teachers has been selected. Cooperation, not the competition. Our education system, Indian education system, is becoming more competitive. Here we always fight that first fellow has got 2% more than me, or 0.1% more than me, or more than somebody. 1 marks got, and why this is got so many things. It goes for review to increase the marks. So here, what is more important? Cooperation, not the competition. I am talking about two individual. So one individual cannot be compared with the other individual. So here I want to tell something over here. I had an opportunity being as a father to go some school. I am not naming. So there is a competition over there for giving prize first, second, third. So in the class also, like, if you are standing first, standing second, standing third. So while giving teacher delivering lecture that we should have a better education policy with no discrimination, all students are very good and all are equal. So it is close to 45 minutes lecture. At the end of the lecture, it's a parents teacher meeting. So I had always bad habit to ask question. Even the sports also, there are first, second, third. Prize was distributed. A lot of kids, they have started to cry. Even their fifth standard or third standard, fourth standard, there are competition in India. So I, as a parent, young parent, I asked the teacher that, ma'am, what you are trying to tell in your presentation, all are equal. Then what is the fun of giving prizes first, second, third? What is this podium is all about? You won't believe that they have committed to stop any kind of prizes for first, second, third. If you are trying to define all the students are same, probably you can have prize for all because they are young minds. So young minds, if you are telling them that you are first, you are second, you are third, you are fourth, then probably you are bringing the competitiveness, and competitiveness is going to destroy many things. Probably your mind is becoming more competitive. I am talking about that competitive, how bad and how good it is, one can understand. Another thing is the basics of priority, that is more important. So education should be instrument for balance the society's inequality. So is it sensing to Buddhism? Okay, one might literally get into the whole education policies where it is directly related to Buddhism or not. One can literally read something what is Buddhism talked about their education. So all the students receive a free school meals, and I have told you there is no discrimination. And starting school at older age, that's why I have told, after retirement also you can get into primary education if you wish to do that. There is no age bar is there. Providing professional option past a traditional college degree, probably that is one of the thing. People can get into college, get into university based on their choice, their wisdom. Probably they can enroll for 3-4 years programming, they can do it. Few other things that is separating the education system for other things, that is the freedom. Probably there are a lot of vocational education system which consists of 3 years program training student for the development of their career. So the option for matriculation test, it is option only when they want to apply for the university. It is not necessarily that everybody enroll themselves for university. So that's why in each stage probably one can stop and found their respective job and other things based on their understanding or skill nature of work. That is one of the good thing probably it is there in Finland. So in various ways, right, the real winners do not compete. What a great statement. Again, let me repeat it. The great winners never compete, or great winners do not compete. So this is what probably you want to do it for our education system. Those education system, Finland is the top rank. Their education system, that a country with rich with intellectual educational reforms, though they have taken every 3 years they review the education system, what is good or what is bad. So based on that they adapt new things probably. So those are kind of a part of evolution, like, no. So educational evolution in India, we have same 70-75 years the tradition we are carrying it. Our number of books for a kid, it is sometimes parents, both mother and father, carrying the whole lot of books to school and dropping their kids at school. It is quite amazing. Early morning I have gone through the same process. I personally feel today whatever wisdom I had, probably that needs to be changed if we really want to give new direction. Probably this COVID has told, or COVID has given the opportunity probably to think little carefully in doing all those exercise. So one has to have those kind of things. The American education system is totally failed, as I have told you. The European, like, no, in British education system is not that effective. It is only to digest whatever the thing you do not have the rational thinking in an innovative way. If you have so much thing for your study what is already given, where you have extra time to think for yourself, to exercise your mind. Friends, I've been telling for many years those same thing. I literally fought with the school management committee for that matter. I don't believe that whether they have felt bad or good, but what I want to tell them, I have told them it's a big school having close to 3,000-4,000 student capacity. So imagine a situation, it is very important the young minds to be nurtured properly with proper education and kind of a freedom, stress-free life, and a very kind of a happy life. Education should not be taken as a burden. My animal lab, I have tried to teach them with books when they are access to a new book, how they are jumping and how they are trying to analyze all those things. What is this new thing is all about? Their curiosity. They might not be knowing a kind of a book, a documented thing, but they have tried to scroll through the pages and try to eat. So whether knowledge can be eaten or not, I really do not know. There are new technology, artificial knowledge, what is coming, artificial, what is this all about? Probably there in one more direction, probably the day will come. If you are a dumb person, probably you can go to market, buy a 1 TB knowledge, a kind of a pen drive or a hard disk. So you can have USB port, you can insert knowledge, that kind of education system. Whether this is really good or bad, I am simply asking those questions. So this is the artificial intelligence, what is all about? I really do not know what kind of people who are new generation you want to really make. I have no idea absolutely which direction we are moving and who are initiating those artificial intelligence if it is applied for your education system. Friends, I am equally confused over here. So I have a different kind of thought process to understand the whole society and the education system. I have different kind of knowledge and understanding about the society, knowledge, various other things. I am a follower of Charles Darwin, the natural evolution, all biological food chain, whatever, there is nothing called artificial. I am a follower of natural science and justice. So whether this is bad or good, I don't know, but I have been following for a long time. Once again, I would like to thank everybody for hearing me out. A small mind lab work I have done. There are many things I have been doing it. There are many work assignment I have taken in order to understand the animal behavior. I am going to draw some kind of model which will be more interesting for me, at least for my understanding. So that is what it is. Probably I have wisdom to share with the world or whoever wants to do it. Absolutely no problem. If somebody has got objection and understanding that those are all not the good thing, probably I am okay with that, but I want to exercise my wisdom. Thank you very much once again for hearing me out to talk about the Finland education system. Have a good day and good night to everybody, my friends, my Facebook friends, my YouTube friends. So new education, new dimension, you have to always give thought for the kids, as they are the backbone of our society. One day you will go, but those your generation who are coming, they are the torch bearer of the society. Your whatever the defined area you have, either you say it in a defined area, what you say it, the internationalism or nationalism, many other things, your country, to protect your own country, to live in harmony with proper education and everything, with stress-free life. We are living under stress. Those stress has to be removed from the kids and from the parents, for that matter from everybody. All or everybody is charged. Our political system, you ask any netas, anybody, they are not happy, they are under stress. That stress has to be released. Some stress management program probably from Finland education is going to give you new direction, I hope. Once again,